ஸ்கூலே ஆரம்பிக்கும்.
Thank you, all of you. Can you hear the prayer, everyone? Everyone, can you hear the prayer? Yes? No? Girija ma'am? Hello, Girija ma'am? Oh, you couldn't hear the prayer. Maybe some problem. Because just I have finished prayer. Okay. We'll sing today. Join your hands, close your eyes. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Dhanyavad. Okay, so last time we have started discussing about the birds. Yes? So I gave homework that you have to stand for 5 to 10 minutes in the balcony or window and you have to observe the birds. Have you observed the birds? Yes? Have you observed the birds outside your area? Yes? What kind of birds you observed? कौन से पक्षियों को कौन से चिड़ियों को आपने देखा है? Crow, okay. And pigeon, maina, very good. Yes, so we can kingfisher also. Wow. So many birds around us. Yes, sparrow, pigeon, crow, kingfisher, myna, parrot. So many birds around us. Bulbul, yes. So today we are going to learn about the birds. What birds names they have given in your book. That 5 birds names, and we are going to learn something new 5 birds names. Okay. So I'm going to share the screen. 1 minute. I hope everyone can see my screen. Yes, so we are talking about birds. What we are talking about? Birds. Birds को हम हिंदी में कहते हैं चिड़िया. ची, डी, या. च को पहली ई की मात्रा ची, ड को पहली ई की मात्रा डी. There is a one dot down. Yes, so you have to make a sound from your nose. Chi, D, ya. Ya को आ की मात्रा या. चिड़िया. चिड़िया means birds. Chidiya means bird. The first bird we are going to talk about now. So, one minute. One minute, dears. Yes, Sadhna ma'am. Okay, the file is loading. So it will take time. 1 minute. I'll share again. So first, the bird which we are going to see about parrot. Yes, so parrot. There are some birds are parrot, pigeon, crow, myna. So first, 1 minute.
And what on screen?
1 minute. I'm sharing again. Okay.
So why are you presenting that?
Yes. Can you see my screen? Girija ma'am, can you see my screen?
Visible, ma'am. Visible, ma'am, your screen. Suprita, ma'am.
Hello. Yes. Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am. Visible, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Because if I'm annotating years, if I start annotating, it is automatically turn. So I'm just reading. Listen, okay. The first bird we are seeing that in the picture, that is crow. Crow को हिंदी में कौवा भी बोला जाता है, कौआ. And here in your book they have given name काग. What they are given? Kaag. Kaag means crow. And the second name, that is कौवा. काग काला होता है. Kala means black. Kala means black. One minute. 1 minute. पीएफ में ज्वाइन करो. पीएफ में ज्वाइन करो. गिरिजा मैम के होस्ट आईडी में. Yes. 1 minute, yes, sir. There is some problem with annotation. Okay, I will teach you in whiteboard only. Whiteboard only. Okay, there is some problem with PPT, so next time we will share PPT. Give me 1 minute. Yes. So just imagine in front of you the crow picture. Okay. So crow को क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में? काग. Crow means काग. Or we can say कौवा. Kaua means also crow. And काग means also crow.
सुप्रीता मैम अभी मेरा लेक्चर ले रहा है, मैं शेयर करूं?
हाँ शेयर कीजिए ना.
हाँ ओके ओके.
काग means also crow. कौवा means also crow. So which color? कौवा कौन से रंग का होता है? कौवा कौन से रंग का होता है? ब्लैक. ब्लैक में हिंदी में बोलते हैं काला. ब्लैक को हिंदी में कहते हैं काला. So कौवा काला होता है. काग काला होता है. कौवा और काग, the both names are same for crow. So the first bird we are going to see about crow, that we in your book they have given kaag, and the one more name is कौवा. काग काला होता है. काला means black. काला means black. Crow means काग और कौवा. Crow means काग और कौवा. Okay. So now next bird we are going to see that it's looking like same like a crow. कौवे के जैसे ही दिखता है. The eye is red. And do you know what is the speciality of this bird? This bird sings very sweetly. बहुत मीठा गाती है। सो ये कौन सा पक्षी है? कुकू बर्ड। ये चिड़िया का नाम है कुकू। इसको हम हिंदी में कहते हैं कोयल। कोयल, कोयल मीन्स कुकू। सो always what the cuckoo bird will does, you know, the cuckoo bird keeps her egg in crow's nest. Always she keep her eggs in crow's nest. इस पक्षी का नाम है, इस चिड़िया का नाम है कोयल। कोयल। So let's read the sentence. कोयल मीठा गाती है। कोयल is a name of bird, cuckoo. मीठा means sweet. गाती है means sings. Sings. गाना means to sing. गाती है means sings. So कोयल कैसे गाती है? कोयल मीठा गाती है। कोयल मीठा गाती है। So what is the bird name? What we say cuckoo bird in Hindi? What we say cuckoo bird in Hindi? Put it in the chat box. Yes, everyone. Come on. On your chat box and start typing. कोयल, very good. कुकू बर्ड को क्या कहते हैं हिंदी में? कोयल. So the first bird name is crow. What we have seen, crow को बोलते हैं कौवा और काग. जो दूसरा पक्षी है उसको बोलते हैं कोयल, कुकू बर्ड. And the third bird now. Okay, now I'm going to explain about the bird and you have to guess that. I'm going to explain about the bird and you have to guess. Okay? So, ऐसा कौन सी चिड़िया है जिसको मिर्ची खाना पसंद है? The bird which loves eat chili. Which bird loves eat chili? Do you know the bird name who loves to eat chili? Yes, Teja, very good. Tarini, Teja, and many of you are giving answers now. Very good. That is parrot. Yes, correct. और parrot को हिंदी में कहते हैं तोता. And you all are saying that in Hindi word. Very nice. तोता. Parrot को क्या कहा जाता है? तोता. त को ओ की मात्रा तो and again त को आ की मात्रा ता. तोता. Tota means parrot. So do you know the parrots are very fun-loving bird. बहुत मजेदार पक्षी होता है. जैसे हम बात करते हैं वैसे सेम वो कॉपी करता है. How we are talking, he just copying us. And the same words he will speak. तोता बहुत मजेदार होता है और बहुत सुंदर भी होता है दिखने में. Yes. और हम उसको घर पे भी रख सकते हैं. We can keep parrot in home also. So the sentence we will learn now. Tota means parrot. Bahut. Bahut means very. Tota means parrot. Bahut. Bahut means very. Sundar. Sundar means beautiful. Sundar means beautiful. Pakshi means bird. चिड़िया का मतलब भी बर्ड है, पक्षी का मतलब भी बर्ड है. तोता बहुत सुंदर पक्षी है. The parrot is very beautiful and the parrot is very fun loving also. Yes. And he loves to eat chili. मिर्ची खाना उसको बहुत पसंद है. So the third bird name is तोता. तो को ओ की मात्रा तो and ता. तोता. Yes. Now I'm going to tell another bird name. You have to guess. Okay. Ready, all of you? I'm going to say one more bird name and you have to guess that bird name. We have seen crow, that is kauwa or kag. After that, we have seen cuckoo bird, koyal. After that we have seen parrot means tota. We have seen parrot, that means tota. Hello? Kaga, koyal, tota. Yes, we can say kaga, koyal, tota. Yes, so the next bird, which is in white color and gray color. Yes, which is in white color and gray color. It is already on the screen. White color and gray color. So सफेद रंग का होता है और सलेटी रंग का होता है. Gray means सलेटी रंग. Okay, रंग means color. So this bird come in two colors. कबूतर जो bird है, pigeon we say in English and in Hindi we say कबूतर. क ब को बड़ी ऊ की मात्रा, बूतर, कबूतर. So we can see this bird in two colors, that is one in grey, salati, and white, safed. Yes, and you know the pigeons are very clever, very intelligent. In olden days, the pigeons are through the pigeons the message will send from one side to another side, because they are very intelligent, very clever. बहुत समझदार होते हैं, बहुत चतुर होते हैं वो. समझदार means very intelligent, yes. Clever. कबूतर एक समझदार पक्षी है. कबूतर is a pigeon. एक means one. So one of the clever bird. कबूतर एक समझदार पक्षी है. कबूतर means pigeon. It will come in two colors, salati or safed. Yes, and olden days, all are using pigeon for sending message to one side, from one side to another side. Okay, so कबूतर क्या है? बहुत समझदार पक्षी है. He understand many things. So we have seen the first bird. Which first bird we have seen? That is in the black color. Come on, write it in the chat box. First bird we have seen, that is in the black color, crow. What we say in Hindi? Can you type Hindi name? Yes, I can say Kag. Very good. Kag, or you can say Kawa. Kag or Kawa. Very good. The second bird, which the bird is singing very sweetly. What is the name of that bird? Sings very sweetly. मीठा गाती है. कौन है वो? कोयल. कौन है वो? कोयल, कुकू बर्ड. यस, कोयल बहुत मीठा गाती है. एंड द थर्ड बर्ड हु लव्स टू ईट चिली, बहुत सुंदर भी होता है वो, तोता. यस, द थर्ड बर्ड इज तोता, बहुत सुंदर होता है. यस, पैरेट लव्स टू ईट चिली, मिर्ची खाना पसंद है पैरेट को. द फोर्थ बर्ड will come in two colors, white and gray. And in olden days, we use this pigeon for sending messages from one side to another side. And is very clever bird. कबूतर, very good. Pigeon को हम क्या बोलते हैं? कबूतर. कबूतर एक समझदार पक्षी है. Very good. Now, how you all are answering in chat box? You all are so much active and you are giving answers. So we are going to see one active bird now. The size is very small, but the bird is very, very active. And the name is Maina. What is the name? Maina. In English also we are saying Maina only, and in Hindi also the name is Maina. So you all are like Maina today. All are giving answers in chat box. Very good. I'm happy those are giving answers in chat box. Clap for yourself. Yes, so Maina size is very small, but the bird is very active. Active को क्या बोलते हैं? सक्रिय. Active को क्या बोलते हैं? सक्रिय. So we'll read the sentence. Maina बहुत छोटा और सक्रिय पक्षी है. मैना means मैना, bird name. बहुत means very. छोटा means small. और means and. सक्रिय means active. सक्रिय means active. पक्षी means bird. So मैना is very small and active bird. Yes, मैना बहुत छोटा और सक्रिय पक्षी है. Just try to read the sentences. Yes, the sentence is not in your book, but we are practicing to read the sentence. So once we will start the lessons, it will be easy for you. मैना बहुत छोटा और सक्रिय पक्षी है. Yes, मैम आप क्लोज कर दीजिए अभी स्क्रीन. So we have seen 5 birds, that is crow, काग और कौवा. Then we have seen the second bird cuckoo, koyal. The third bird parrot, tota. The fourth bird pigeon, kabutar. And the fifth bird manna. Yes? Now we are going to learn some new birds names which are not in your book. That is for extra information. Yes? Now I'm going to describe about the bird and you have to guess. Yes? Ready all of you? Shayan 2E, please don't give me a notation request here. Yes, everyone is ready. I'm going to describe and you have to guess the name. I can see there are few children only replying in chat box. They're repeating the same names repeated in chat box. Come on, everyone. Quickly open your chat box and you have to respond. Yes? Come on, fast. Okay, I'm going to tell the name of the description of the bird, so you have to guess the name. ऐसी कौन सी चिड़िया है जो आकाश में बहुत ऊंचा उड़ती है और जिसकी आंखें बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है? Which is the bird is fly high in the sky and the eyesight is very strong. Eyesight is very strong. Yes, I am getting answers in chat box. I'm very happy those are giving answers in chat box. Yes, eyesights are very strong. Eagle, very good. Eagle. Eagle को हम हिंदी में कहते हैं चील. छ को बड़ी ई की मात्रा चील. चील. Chil means eagle. Chil means eagle. Yes. Chil means eagle. Now the second bird. I'm going to describe about the second bird quickly, or even be ready with your chat box. ऐसा कौन सा पक्षी है वो बहुत सुंदर होता है, उसके पंख बहुत सुंदर होते हैं और बारिश के पहले वो अपने पंख फैलाकर डांस करता है, नाचता है और उसको राष्ट्रीय पक्षी भी कहा जाता है. Which bird is very beautiful and the bird spread his feathers and dance before rain comes, and we can say national bird also. Yes, I'm getting answers. Very good. Superb, lovely, dears. You all are giving answers and that is correct. Peacock. And peacock को हिंदी में कहते हैं मोर. क्या कहते हैं peacock को? मोर. म को ओ की मात्रा मोर. मोर. म को ओ की मात्रा मोर. मोर. Chil means eagle, more means peacock. Yes. Now the third bird. The third bird's eyesights are very strong, especially in night time. Especially in night time, eyesights are very strong. Yes, correct guessing. Very good. Good guess. Owl, very good. Owl. Owl को हम हिंदी में कहते हैं उल्लू. U, choti U, half ल with full ल and बड़ी O की मात्रा उल्लू. चील, मोर, ullu. Chil means eagle, more means peacock, ullu means owl. Yes? Next, the fourth bird now I'm going to describe. You can see that bird frequently from your window. If you're standing in the balcony, you can see that very small bird, and frequently we can see that bird nest also we can see frequently. Can you guess? Sparrow, yes, Tanshika. Sparrow. Sparrow को हम बोलते हैं हिंदी में गौरैया. Sparrow को what we are saying in Hindi गौरैया. ग को औ की मात्रा, two balloons up with one standing line. Then र को आई की मात्रा, two balloons up. And य को आ की मात्रा, गौरैया. Gauraiya means sparrow. Gauraiya. Gauraiya means sparrow. Very good. Good guess, all of you. So the first one, chil. Chil means eagle. The second one, more. More means peacock. The third one, ullu. Ullu means owl. The fourth one, gauraiya. Gauraiya means sparrow. And one last bird name that the bird is very beautiful and the color is very beautiful. We say kingfisher in English, kingfisher, and in Hindi we say Neelakantha. Neelakantha. न को बड़ी ई की मात्रा, नी ल क के ऊपर एक बिंदु, वन डॉट, कंठ. नीलकंठ. Neelakantha means kingfisher. So we have seen 5 more birds. Chil means eagle, more means peacock, ullu means owl, gauraiya means sparrow, Neelakantha means kingfisher. And in our book also there are 5 names, that is kaga or kawa means crow, koyal means cuckoo, koyal means cuckoo, then tota means parrot, then pigeon means kabutar, and last maina means maina only. We have seen this, okay? Someone is asking flamingo. Yes, flamingo we say in Hindi maral. Maral in Hindi, flamingo bird.
Ma'am, I am writing ma'am screen, ma'am.
What? What dear?
Screen, ma'am.
Screen, I offed my screen. Yes? Okay. So this is what about the birds, and I will give the classwork notes, whatever in your book, that 5 birds name. Yes, and I hope everyone has completed your flower and vegetable classwork notes. Ma'am, repeat the bird's name. Okay, I'll repeat. Dears, please don't click on emojis. Yes, you all are good children, so please don't do that. Whatever the birds in your book, that I'm going to repeat again. Kaga. Kaga means crow. Kaga means crow. Next, koyal. Ko o ki matra. One balloon up with one standing line. Ko ya la. Koyal means cuckoo bird. Ta ko o ki matra to, and ta ko a ki matra ta. Tota. Tota means parrot. Then ka ब को बड़ी ऊ की मात्रा डाउन टुवर्ड्स राइट. र कबूतर मीन्स pigeon. कबूतर मीन्स pigeon. एंड लास्ट म को आई की मात्रा मई ना. मई ना. So these 5 birds we have learned: काग, कोयल, तोता, कबूतर, मैना. This is in your book. Yes. Now which 5 birds we have learned extra, that also I am going to repeat. चील, च को ई की मात्रा चील, eagle, then मोर, peacock, then ullu means owl, then sparrow means gauraya, ga ko au ki matra 2 balloons up with 1 standing line, ra ko ai ki matra 2 balloons up, and ya ko a ki matra gauraya means sparrow, and kingfisher neelakantha. Neelakantha means kingfisher. Yes. So now, ma'am, can you? Yeah, someone asked about the flamingo. Someone asked about the flamingo bird, yes? Flamingo, we can say Rajhans Pakshi. Pakshi means bird, flamingo means Rajhans. Rajhans. Yes, Avnishwaran. Avnishwar, do you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, okay. So everyone is clear what the bird's name which is are in the book?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay, good. So now we have already seen Sabji Khao, the poem, yes? And last time some names are missing, those who want to sing the poem. So those are names are missing. Sadhna ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
साधना मैम एलिसा है क्या कुछ नाम?
मैम एलिसा सब हो गए मैम.
Okay, okay. Okay, those who want to sing a Sabji Khao song, just put your name in chat box. We have 10 minutes, so we will practice for Sabji Khao song. Yes. And you have to complete the classwork notes of Girati, flower name and vegetable name. After that, I will give the classwork notes for birds. Yes, so the first name I'm getting in the chat box, Mahavidya. Mahavidya, unmute yourself. Mahavidya. Ma'am, lock में है क्या? Okay, okay, 1 minute, I will. Yes, Mahavidya, you can unmute now. Yes, you can start singing.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
आओ साओ गाओ अपनी तबीयत स्वस्थ बनाओ इसमें है विटामिन बारह से ची से है बागती बीमारी दूर.
Very good, Brinda. But Brinda, you have not given name. I called Mahavidya, dear. I think Brinda has replied. Yes, Brinda, you have to give your name. But good, you have sung very nicely. Yes, Mahavidya.
सब्जी खाओ, साग खाओ, अपने तबीयत स्वस्थ बनाओ। इसमें है विटामिन
भरपूर, जिससे है भागती बीमारी दूर। वेरी नाइस महाविद्या. Mute yourself. Next name Nandana. Next name Nandana. And after that Dharini, be ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Nandana.
सब्जी खाओ, साग खाओ, अपनी तबीयत स्वस्थ बनाओ। इसमें है विटामिन भरपूर, जिससे है भागती बीमारी दूर।
Very nice. Very nice, lovely. Mute yourself. Next name Dharini, and after that Sai Lakshmi, be ready, and Tanshika also be ready. Yes, yes, Dharini.
नमस्ते मैम।
Namaste. Sing the song.
सब्जी खाओ, साग खाओ, अपनी तबीयत स्वस्थ बनाओ। इसमें है विटामिन भरपूर, जिससे है भागती बीमारी दूर।
Very nice, superb. Mute yourself. Next name Sai Lakshmi. धन्यवाद. Sai Lakshmi.
नमस्ते अध्यापिका जी।
Namaste. Next name Tanshika and Sadhana, be ready. Yes, Sai Lakshmi.
सब्जी खाओ, साग खाओ, अपनी तबीयत स्वस्थ बनाओ। इसमें है विटामिन भरपूर, इससे है भागती बीमारी दूर।
Very good, superb.
धन्यवाद।
Lovely. धन्यवाद. Next name Tanshika.
यस मैम।
Yeah, next name Sadhana and Aryan, be ready. Yes, Tanshika.
सब्जी खाओ, साग बनाओ, अपनी दानिया स्वस्थ बनाओ। इसके के विटामिन भरपूर, सृष्टि के
जिससे है भागती
व्हाट मैम?
जिससे है भागती बीमारी दूर. Very good, Tanshika.
दूर।
Very nice, Tanshika.
थैंक यू मैम।
Yeah. Next name Sadhana. Sadhana. Yeah. After Sadhana, Aryan and Shailesh AK, be ready. Yes, Sadhana, start.
सब्जी का साग खाओ, अपनी सख्त बनाओ।
इसमें है विटामिन भरपूर।
मैम इसमें है
विटामिन भरपूर, जिससे है भागती बीमारी दूर. Very good. Yes, mute yourself. Next name Aryan.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
Good morning. So after Aryan, Shailesh and Kamakshi, be ready. Yes, Aryan.
सब्जी का साग खाओ, अपनी तबीयत स्वस्थ बनाओ। इसमें है विटामिन भरपूर, जिससे है भागती बीमारी दूर।
Very good. Bhagati बीमारी दूर. Very good. Yes, very good. Next name Shailesh. Thank you. Shailesh.
नमस्ते अध्यापिका जी।
Namaste. Next name Kamakshi and
सब्जी खाओ, साग खाओ, अपनी तबीयत स्वस्थ बनाओ। इसमें है विटामिन भरपूर, जिससे भागती बीमारी दूर।
Very Very nice fellow.
धन्यवाद अध्यापिका जी.
धन्यवाद. Next name,
My name is
Yes, ma'am.
Pravalpa ma'am.
Ma'am, today's Nilaya birthday, ma'am.
कामाक्षी मैम.
Whose birthday?
सब्जी का वो साग. मैम प्रवल्पा. अपनी तबीयत सख्त बनाओ. इसमें है विटामिन भरपूर, जिसमें है भगती बीमारी दूर.
Very nice, Kamakshi. Very nice. Yes, ma'am. Whose birthday today?
Nilaya, 2F, ma'am. Nilaya.
Whose birthday? Niralya. I think so. Niralya.
Oh.
Yes, today Niralya. Today Niralya's birthday. Oh. Niralya, just unmute yourself here.
Okay मैम.
Is your birthday today?
मैम.
Okay. We will wish you, huh? Just 1 minute. The next name I will take and I will wish you. Breeze. Next name Breezy. Next name Breezy, and other names we will continue next class. Breezy, are you there? Breezy. Okay. Let's wish Niralya now. Sadhna ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Niralya का birthday है. Let's wish her.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm Teja.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
God bless you.
May God bless you, dear. May God bless you, dear Niraya. Happy birthday to you.
Yes, happy birthday, Niralya. Enjoy your day. Yes, the complete MVM Mangaru wishes you a happy birthday. Now it's 9 o'clock. Class is